iOS 15 gives AirPods Pro 5 new features to further customize your listening experience to your specific hearing profile. iOS 15 works with the iPhone 6s all the way up to the new iPhone 13. Today I'll cover these top 5 features and show you how to access each one so you can start benefiting from this new technology. Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Today I'm talking about 5 new AirPods Pro features available within iOS 15. These features improve hearing enhancement capability, give you access to new sounds, and provide additional sound quality options. Feature number 1, Conversation Boost. New to iOS 15 is Conversation Boost for AirPods Pro. This feature improves the sound quality by reducing background noise so that sounds are more crisp and clear. Hear and understand conversation better in your favorite restaurant or coffee shop. To access this feature, go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio Visual, Headphone Accommodations on, Transparency Mode on, Conversation Boost on. Now if you're not aware, Headphone Accommodations and Transparency Mode are the settings that allow the AirPods Pro to amplify sounds for hearing enhancement. Feature number 2, Import an audiogram. To customize headphone accommodations even further, iOS 15 lets you import a paper or PDF audiogram from your hearing healthcare provider. An audiogram is a graph that indicates how well you hear low to high-pitched sounds. For example, if you have more trouble hearing high-pitched sounds, this feature can customize the sound quality of your AirPods Pro so they sound more sharp and clear. Just go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio Visual, Headphone Accommodations, Custom Audio Setup. Hit Continue and Add Audiogram. This gives you the option of capturing an image of your audiogram with a camera, using an existing photo, or choosing a file on your device. Feature number 3, Background Sounds. iOS 15 now offers background sounds which include stream, balanced bright or dark noise, ocean, and rain. These sounds can play quietly in the background to mask other unwanted sounds in your environment, and they can also lay underneath other audio played from your iPhone. This may help provide relief and relaxation, especially for people who have tinnitus or ringing in the ears. Just set the volume to a softer, comfortable level. If you experience tinnitus, please consult with your local physician or audiologist. To activate background sounds, go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio Visual, Background Sounds on. You have 6 sounds to choose from. Now if you're receiving value from this video so far and you want to see more content like this, please let me know by hitting the like button. Also, comment below which AirPods Pro feature do you think would be the most useful. Feature number 4, Spatialized Stereo. Another new feature is called Spatialized Stereo. This is a virtual spatial environment and it's available with the AirPods Max, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Generation 3. It works with normal stereo music files that are not Dolby Atmos compatible. You can activate Spatialized Stereo by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and pressing and holding on the AirPods Pro volume bar. At the bottom, you can toggle Spatialized Stereo on and off. Spatial audio is already available within Apple Music for Dolby Atmos compatible songs for the AirPods Max, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Generation 3. Spatial audio uses dynamic head tracking to adjust your surround sound experience. If you want to adjust the dynamic head tracking feature, just go to Settings, Accessibility, Physical and Motor, AirPods. Then click on Spatial Audio Head Tracking. You can select Off, Video, or Audio and Video Content. Feature number 5, Siri App Notifications. With iOS 15, you also get access to Siri notifications from apps. Previously, this was only available to announce calls and messages. To access this, go to Settings, Notifications, Announce Notifications On. You can then choose which apps will use announced notifications. If you want quick access to the features discussed in this video, create a shortcut icon in the Control Center. Just go to Settings, Control Center, and click on the plus sign next to your desired control, in this case, hearing. Now swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and click on the ear icon. If you've activated headphone accommodations, transparency mode, and conversation boost, as discussed in this video, then you'll see several options on this screen. We have a button to activate background sounds, live listen, which turns your iPhone into a wireless microphone, headphone accommodations on and off, amplification, balance, tone, and ambient noise reduction. You can toggle conversation boost on and off at the bottom of the screen. Also, the headphone sound level is displayed anytime you're playing audio on your device. This can also help you monitor your sound level in your headphones so that your volume is not too loud. So what do you think about these 5 new AirPods Pro features in iOS 15? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to check out the Apple iOS and AirPods Pro playlist here or in the description below. Also, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.